Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you take the bag into a Gucci boutique, know that you'll have to pay a fee to get the bag evaluated and repaired. Gucci will not fix the bag if it has been previously repaired, modified or customized by another repair shop.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Wash your leather bag with lukewarm water and soap. Dip the edge of a white, clean cotton cloth or baby diaper into the suds. Rub the dampened cloth across the surface of the bag to clean. After the bag dries, squirt a dime-sized amount of leather conditioner into a cloth.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
See our store locator to see where there is a Louis Vuitton store near you. Any craftsmanship issues such as stitching, hardware function or breakage, Louis Vuitton will repair at no cost to the customer.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The serial number tag is considered by many to be the best way to distinguish real from fake. The Gucci serial number is typically located on a leather patch sewn at its top to the inside of the bag. It is not sewn down on all sides. The tag should be a square, or a slight vertical rectangle.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.